Audience, please give a big round of applause to them.
Assalamu alaikum to all. My name is Muhammad. He is my friend Zia. We are studying in grade 1. We are so excited to present our class girls dance performance on Harmony of Souls. Let's welcome them. Thank you.
Looking up at the sky, searching for the most high. He rejected the way of worshipping gods of clay. Prophet Ibrahim knew that Allah was near, and that the heart of a Muslim is sincere. Under the hot burning sun, he declared God is one. Though with stones on his chest, his iman would not rest. The muazzin knew that right will conquer wrong, and the heart of a Muslim must be strong. It's the heart of a Muslim through the guidance of Islam that makes you fair and kind and helpful to your fellow man. So living as a Muslim means that you must play a part. Allah looks not at how you look, but what is in your heart.
Accept my prayer, Ya Rabb al-Alameen, Ya Rahman Ya Rahim, Ya Rabb al-Alameen, Ya Rahman Ya Rahim. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, alayhi salatullah, alayhi barakatullah. ربي بارئ الأكوان، إلهي ليس لك مثيل، كل عجز عن التمثيل. خلقتني من عدم إلى وجود، أنت ربي دائما أنت المعبود. يا رب العالمين، يا رحمن يا رحيم، يا رب العالمين، يا رحمن يا رحيم. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله، عليه صلاة